Ladies and germs, or should I just say gentlemen? All right, listen. Consistency. This is something that you're going to need to learn. Consistency. Everything is based off of consistency. The reason why you fail in life is because of consistency. The reason why you succeed in life is because of consistency. All right? If you consistently do something, you're going to produce results, good, bad, or ugly. You understand? So, if you're a person, right, and you're going to college and you consistently never show up for class, you're going to fail. If you consistently show up to class, consistently do your homework, consistently turn in your assignments, then generally speaking, you're going to do well. And this happens with everything in life, right? So if you're 20 years old and your habits are going to work at your fast food restaurant, you consistently go work at your job, come home, play video games, fall asleep, eat pizza, fall asleep again, right? This is consistency. You've been consistently doing this for years. And if you do this for years, you can't be surprised if you don't get the results. You understand that? So you got to build in yourself some sort of willpower to go find somebody else to help keep you on track. This is why I'm making these videos. Use this community here and leverage that. Look at everybody else doing good, and it's going to make you think about doing some good too. This is why I'm making this video right now. Comment below and let me know what you're trying to do consistently. Let people know what it is you want to do. See if their goals align with yours. If they do, then work together. You work together and then you build on things. I'm telling you, social skills. Social skills are what you need. You need to have social skills to talk to people who are like-minded. When you do that, I'm telling you, it's just going to get better and better. All right? So, once again, the first step, goals, comments, list them, write them down. Somebody else is going to go in there and say, hey, I want to hear from you in 3 months. Hey, let me know if you need help with that. Hey, I know how to do that. Yeah, I can help you with that. That's what it is for. That's what networking is. Especially my 20-year-olds, man. This is what you got to do to build and grow and be something in life. Don't defend. Do not do under no circumstances or should you be defending the stuff for why you can't do something. You're defending your laziness. Don't do that. Network. Build really, really good connections, really good habits, and do it one step at a time. Don't worry, hang in there. We'll do this together.